And then you have the snails. They crawl up the windows and they literally eat the silicone. Hello everyone and welcome to a new video on the channel. This video is not an automotive one, it is about a restoration here on the windows. I will show you. You see here, rain was always coming in here and I did some reparations on the outside, but every time it came back and everything was on. When a rainstorm comes, everything was on water here. The water came in from under the glass along this line here. You could only see that under a heavy rainstorm, so it took me some time to figure that out. I thought I had found the cause. I thought it came through here, so I made a new wooden element here and siliconed it around, but that didn't help. Then I thought it came through here, but that didn't help either. And then I saw that the birds were eating the silicones, so I siliconed it again, and that helped for a while, but they ate it. They did pick in the silicones again and again and again, and the water keep coming in. So now I found some silicone that I think they don't like, and they leave it alone. And it's for a long time, yeah. Now, let's say for some months now that there is no water coming in. So now it is dry and ready to sand and put a layer of paint on it. And that's what we are going to do today. We are taking the curtains away and sand the whole thing and then put a layer of paint on it to make it a little bit more presentable than like it looks now. See how they like to pick in the silicone? Here also. See, but I painted over it. And then you have the snails. They crawl up the windows and they literally eat the silicone. See? The sanding was very satisfying, and the difference of color, the decoloration, came very well off, so you could very well see the difference between the sanded part and the not sanded part. And this is how it looks after sanding, before sanding. After sanding, and when it is sanded, we are going to paint it immediately one layer and see how it looks then. So guys, the painting is done, like you can see. And now we have to let it sit for a few hours to let it dry. It is a paint on water base because it's a bedroom here, and for the hilt it is on water base, so we can let it sit like this and let it dry. Again, thank you all for watching. If you liked it, hit a thumbs up. Most of all, have a wonderful day, and find us on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook, and I will see you in the next one. Peace!